Bob Boldt HVAC, a top-rated HVAC contractor in Burnsville, Minnesota, offers a wide range of services. Bob Boldt HVAC, a trusted heating, cooling, and air duct cleaning company in Dakota County, is a top choice for residential and commercial customers. The expert specialists at their company provide high-quality maintenance, emergency repairs, and system installations. Are you looking for HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found Bob Boldt HVAC. Is HVAC tune-up worth it? Yes, an HVAC tune-up is absolutely worth it. Regular tune-ups not only ensure that your system operates efficiently, but they also help prevent costly repairs by identifying potential issues early. At Bob Boldt HVAC, we emphasize the importance of routine maintenance for improving your HVAC system's performance, extending its lifespan, and lowering energy costs. A well-maintained system can reduce energy consumption, enhance indoor air quality, and provide greater comfort. Why are HVAC techs so expensive? HVAC technicians can seem expensive due to the specialized skills, training, and certifications required to work on complex heating and cooling systems. At Bob Boldt HVAC, our technicians undergo extensive education and continuous training to stay up to date with evolving HVAC technology, ensuring that they can handle any issue efficiently and safely. The cost of service also reflects the high-quality tools, diagnostic equipment, and replacement parts used to maintain or repair HVAC systems. What is your service area? Our Bob Boldt HVAC serve the following Minnesota locations: Burnsville, Apple Valley, Farmington, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prairie Lake, Rosemount, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Edina, Richfield, Eagan, Minnesota. Where is your Bob Boldt HVAC office located? We are located at 860 Blue Gentian Road, Suite 200, Eagan, Minnesota 55121, United States. Our phone number is 651-300-6145. Visit our website, https://www.bobhvac.com/.